DirectFix.com presents
the iPad 3 Disassembly and Reassembly Guide. Be sure to check us out on the web at DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
Begin by completely powering down your iPad. Using a heat gun, apply heat to the edges of the iPad, loosening the adhesive holding the screen. The 5-piece iPad toolkit IP2508 will provide you with a Phillips screwdriver, an extra wide case opener tool, 2 suction cups, a sharp poking tool, as well as a T4 Torx driver. Using the extra wide case opener tool found in the iPad toolkit, begin to remove the screen from the iPad. Use the 2 suction cups also provided in the toolkit to lift the screen. Be very careful not to damage the Wi-Fi antenna found at the bottom of the unit while removing the touch panel. Remove the 4 Phillips head screws shown. You can now lift the LCD out of the unit. Using a case opener tool, lift up the latch holding the ribbon for the LCD. Remove the LCD. Now using your case opener tool, lift up the 2 latches holding the ribbon for the touch panel. Now we're going to disconnect all remaining ribbons from the motherboard. Remove the 4 Phillips screws securing the motherboard. You can now carefully lift out the motherboard. Now using your large case opener tool, lift out the battery. We're now going to begin reassembly, starting by placing your new battery into the back cover. We're now going to place the motherboard. Secure the motherboard with 4 Phillips screws in the areas marked by red circles. Reconnect the various connectors for charge ports, volume, and power buttons onto the motherboard. Before we can install a new touch panel, we have to prepare it with adhesive. Begin by removing the plastic covers. Remove the home button as well as the home button bracket and the small metal shield that goes over your front-facing camera. Remove these from your old screen and place them on your new screen. We're now going to begin placement of the adhesive strips. The strips come in 4 parts. When you place them, make sure you place them flatly without any bubbles. With all of our adhesive strips placed, we can now remove the plastic covers. We can now connect the touch panel ribbon to the motherboard. Now we're going to connect the LCD ribbon to the motherboard. You can now flip the LCD over and place on top of the battery and motherboard. Secure your LCD with 4 Phillips head screws in the areas marked by the red circles. We can now place the new touch panel. Line the new touch panel up over the LCD and then press down firmly, allowing the adhesive to adhere to the frame. Please be sure to check our website, DirectFix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.